There we go. I don't know why I always have these silly little issues. Welcome to today's 10-minute meditation. We are going to be focusing on the mental ideal. So I'm just going to take a second and explain ideals again. These 3 days we did spiritual, physical, and mental ideal. We want to know what it is. We want to focus on that which we hope to achieve, which may be like way beyond what we can achieve, but wish to achieve. But we need to understand why we want to achieve it. So the why is you want to make sure that's something powerful. That's the ideal. You don't want to be mentally strong and clear, say, like Einstein. Just pick somebody who's a mental giant for you. Me, it's Edgar Cayce. I use Edgar Cayce as my mental ideal because it's something that I like to study. But why? Why do I have him as my ideal? Is it to self-grandize myself? That will create a Frankenstein. If it is to be of really, truly is to be of service for others, then it will nurture me. And the energy coming from it will be powerful. So get that mental person or thing that you wish to have as your goal and take a moment. I know we're going a little bit over 10 minutes because of this, but it's important to understand why. Why are you picking that? And we are going to get started. And if you don't have it, that's fine. When you get it, come back and replay it. We always start with a prayer of protection and the Lord's Prayer. We'll go into a gentle guided meditation, sit in silence for a few minutes. When the silence is done, at which point that silence, we're absorbing that energy from that person or thing for mental clarity and strength. You'll hear the chimes, and we will close with the 23rd Psalm. So let's get started. Let's take a deep breath, close our eyes, and begin to relax. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. Let us take a moment and just scan our bodies and notice if there's any tightness. And just invite that part of your body to relax and let go. Bring our attention now right to the center of our body and notice that beautiful column of energy that runs through us. That is our connection to the divine. It is that part of us which is connected to the Almighty, the divine at all times, never letting us go. Notice how it accumulates in the second chakra, where our soul, our part of us resides. Let it nourish us there, just below our belly button. Allow that light and divine energy. By bringing attention to it, we know we are moving it where we want. Otherwise, it just will always flow for us. It will always be there. We're just intentionally moving it to where we wish. And as we strengthen our spirit within the second chakra, you can actually feel the energy building. Know it is building because it is. Let us move that energy up now to about 3 inches above our belly button, to the solar plexus. And notice that the energy is just as powerful there as it is in the second chakra. Neither one has decreased. They're both just as powerful. With our intention, let's pull that energy up now to our heart chakra, which is right in the middle of our chest. And notice the energy there just as strong as the other two. Powerful. You might notice in your root chakra, just down by your spine, sensation. That's the engine that helps push up the energy when you ask. Now we have it in all three, strong and powerful. Pull it up to our throat, up to the middle of our head. All energy centers are firing strong, and we give ourselves this direction. Arise, my spirit, and meet thy maker. Upon pulling up, notice the peace and calm. You are still within that beautiful light that is funneling into your body, but you're above your body. Invite that person or thing that represents perfect mental clarity and health and strength to you. Stand there with this person or thing. Embrace them if you choose. Relax and absorb the energy that they are sharing with you. And as we pull ourselves back into our body, carrying this vibration, these gifts with us, allowing them to distribute through our bodies, as we settle in, we close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me besides the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. Open your eyes, wiggle your toes, make sure you're grounded. I found that one quite powerful. Always a pleasure to be with you guys. Thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful weekend. See you on Monday. Bye now.